And if you've never heard of these HD stencils, they're kind of new. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like some Hummer vehicles there. Oh, that's pretty sick. Oh my gosh, a Kobe stencil. Oh man, oh dude, you have gone too far, my friend. This is amazing right here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna take some opaque black, and the darker the better, because you'll get a better transfer of the image. As you can see, I've kind of just sprayed it all evenly. And now here's the moment of truth. We're gonna take it off. And wow, just plain and simply wow. The actual stencil work here is beyond this world, guys. Like, that is just spraying the stencil. I have not even gone back in with colors or nothing, okay? So these stencils have built-in shading. As you can see, it kind of goes from dark to light here. You know, it has the shading on the wheel. And yeah, there's just so much detail considering it's just a stencil. So yeah, like I am just blown away by these stencils. I didn't like the grass. What? The grass is in there, son. What? I just don't even know what to say as far as image transfers, so that you can work off of. If you need something to look exactly the same, like if you're working on a motorcycle tank and you want both sides to look exactly the same, I would highly recommend this. Like the Hummer thing, this is amazing right here. I'm amazed by this. There is no beating this, because it maps it out like perfectly for you, and it takes all the guesswork out of it, I guess I should say. It works really, really good. I'm blown away. I was expecting good, but this is beyond what I was expecting, so